Hi guys, thanks for joining us again for another unbox. Today we're doing the tactical headset by LawMate. This is the ER-18. So we're going to go ahead without any further ado, open the box and show you what it's all about. As always, LawMate with the fancy boxes, never cease to amaze. So inside, opening it up, we have our tactical headset. I'll just whack this bad boy on for the moment so you guys can see what it looks like. There you go. Look like an alien now. We have a couple of little adapter plates so you could secure them to other surfaces. So there is like a 3M one. That one there's got a little bit of a clip on it. We'll open this up, I'll show you. So that one there's got like a little bit of a clip on it. Underneath we have a little extension cable, so this will be used to connect to the DVRs that this headset's capable of using. We also have our remote. So again, some of the DVRs have the facility for a remote control, so this would allow you to plug it into the DVR, and then you've got your record/on/off button already on there, so you could have this pinned up to your jacket or your shirt or your pants pocket if you're a security guard or police officer, and have it ready to go at any time. You also get a couple of spare earpieces and soft pads for the headset, a couple of 3M Velcro tabs for that backing plate, and I'll put that down there, and your instruction book on the ER-18, so it shows you a couple of different applications for it and what you can do with it. But yeah, pretty comfy little headset, full HD, 30 frames, same as most of the other LawMate products, and all it needs to get going is a DVR, so 500 L4i or the 500 Eco 2 I think it is, work with this ER-18 headset. Join us on the next video guys, and we'll get it plugged up to the 500 Eco 2, and I'll show you how it all works and a couple of little attachments and how the remote can trigger and all the rest of it. See you on the next one.